All right, we're at RPR. What's the weather like up there?
Holy shit. Yeah.
Who's hitting that drop?
You are.
Be safe. Be safe. All the trails are closed in Dallas, so we're heading out of town. All right, guys, it is Sunday morning, up bright and early, heading out to REVEILLE Peak Ranch, just outside of Austin, Texas. About to meet up with a DFW icon rider, the Todd father. Trevor can't be here today. He is working on the mountain bike van. REVEILLE Peak Ranch is about 3 hours south of Dallas-Fort Worth. So we loaded up the bikes and headed south. RPR has several single track trails, but we're not here to ride single track. We came to catch some air with some of the best riders in the state.
So, nothing in here. I mean, there's a couple little, like, are they gaps? Are they doubles? Little rock doubles.
You can just roll everything.
It's almost, you can almost roll anything, but I would say at a minimum, at least try and jump it a little bit.
Okay.
And there might be a, some backside to it or something.
Okay. Team Trail Party actually just built some Texas-sized drops. We were there on a special day to catch future icon Bennett Fisher shred the tallest drop we've ever seen. He's definitely worth a follow on Instagram. Rolling in drops with the Todd father. Unfortunately, the day got cut short due to Todd having a super serious crash on the last jump on El Patron, causing a broken collarbone. Jumping your mountain bike can be extremely dangerous, so make sure you're always wearing a helmet and pad up properly when going to extremes. So this was my first time at REVEILLE Peak Ranch, and definitely have to say it is not for beginners. At least the jump lines aren't. So I think you would honestly have more fun at Spider Mountain. But for those of you who are ready to fly, I definitely recommend putting RPR on your Texas must-ride list. It's only $10 a rider. We'll put all the details, the address, there's more info on the website. Oh, and I almost forgot, we're gonna give away some awesome mountain bike swag. We got pedals, we got some merchandise. So share, like, comment, put us in the mentions, tell us what you wanna see, because we have some amazing videos. We just took the mountain bike van out to Angel Fire. A lot of great stuff coming up. So tune in, check it out, like, share, and have more fun with the trip. And a quick update on DFW icon, the Todd father. He's healing up great. He's actually about to be able to ride again. Not his first time he's broke his collarbone, so he knew the drill. And we got pulled over on the way back from RPR, told the cop we were on the way to the hospital, let us out of a ticket. So just so you know.
Hey Tyson, is this a trend where people that go with you that are over 50 get hurt?
It's possible. I may be bad luck for riders over 50. Todd's 55. We have some more hospital visits in the near future.